Hello, my name is Gage Arnold down here at Heritage Ford. Today I'm showing you this 2017 Kia Rio. It has 3,200 miles on it, so it's pretty much still brand new. Not even past the break-in point. See the interior, light tan. So you can see how the interior is set up. Your eco mode over here. Bluetooth options on the steering wheel. USB port. Cup holders. Alright, let's take this thing for a drive. So this 1.6 engine is producing about 138 horsepower. It's rated at 36 miles to the gallon on the highway and 27 in the city. Good pickup. It's also just a very comfortable ride as well. Very smooth. You can see all of our new inventory as well as our pre-owned inventory over here. Alright, so like I said, we are here at Heritage Ford in Corydon. So if this Kia or anything in our inventory you think might interest you, feel free to give us a call. We're here Monday through Saturday. So like I said, my name is Gage Arnold. I'd be happy to help you out. Thank you.